What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of, excuse me, the market overview. Guys, today we got the contract roll, Ripper Magoo. How are you? Right? The ES chart here, we moved out from the December contract to the March contract, hence the big gap up here. We gapped up right into our big 45.60, 45.75-ish level. If you zoom out and look left, you'll know exactly why. And we proceeded to hold that all day. Bulls seem to be in, or bears seem to be in disbelief. But what do we have lingering on everybody's mind all day? Is this tomorrow? Core CPI. That is tomorrow. That's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's really the only data print you're going to need to worry about tomorrow. Nothing really comes after that. You just have core CPI. We do have a 30-year bond auction. Looks like at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want to pay attention to that as well. But really going to be all eyes on the CPI, right? All eyes on the CPI. So I will tell you this. Every single level, every single game plan I give you tonight could all go to shit tomorrow. We have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow. We could easily fucking rip or we can fucking dive. It doesn't matter. Or we could do nothing. It really doesn't matter. But the worst thing you should do is try to decipher and play off of if the data is good or bad. Just play around your levels. Okay, just play around your levels. So tomorrow, look, if we're going to gap fill down to this contract gap fill 46.20 to 46.30, I'm looking to take longs down there. If we hold 45.55 all night and into that data, that we likely rip up, see 4,700, 47.25. Okay, 4,700, 47.25. If we do dip below 45.50 or 60, 46.50 that we did today, the low, then I think we go down and test the 46.21 to 46.30. And we look for the bounces along from there. Underneath 4,600, I think we take the rotation back down to 45.60. ES taken care of. Onto the SPY chart. Gonna look pretty identical. We are breaking out of a 3-week range, right? It's been 3 weeks since we got above 453 here. We are finally breaking out to the upside. Where did we go? Right to that 462 level. Go figure. So we're gonna want to watch. Does the back test hold of 459, 459.50? If it holds all night, that's great. Look for the move back up through 462 to 465. Okay, 465, 464.50, 465. Underneath 459, we could easily come back down, see 457, 453 under there if we get super drippy, super selly. But it's going to be all about this 459 holding tomorrow. If that does hold, 459, 460, I think we're going to keep on moving this party on higher. On to QQQ now. QQQ making new highs. So following SPY in good fashion, taking off right to our 396 area. We could see if we zoom out and we look left, we'll know why this is our left. Whoa, we got to go a little bit further than that. It's this chart here. That's the weekly chart. Excuse me. The daily one. There it is. I think it's this one. Zooming out and looking left here. We could see we had a little bit of some supply where we had broken down from this level here. So that's a big level right here. But through 396, basically 400, 402 is going to be on tap after that. So zooming out, looking left, you guys can see what's going on in this area, getting to some big supply. But if we want to rip, the market wants to rip. It's spent, 3 weeks up in this area. And if it wanted to go down, it would have, and it hasn't. So stop fighting the trend. The trend is up. Okay, the trend is up through 396.50, 400, 402. From there, we'll look for the back test down at 388 for longs. If we get there, last but not least, good old IWM. IWM triple top here at 188. Triple top at 188. So we've seen this big flag, a nice base, and another flag out, moving up to 188. So 188 is going to be on par for tomorrow. If we break it 192, 200. We'll be looking at from there. Okay, but if not, look for the back test down here at 182 for the bounce. Guys, that's all I got for you. You got to make sure tomorrow you wake up early, you get your levels right, and of course, you don't do anything fucking stupid. See you bright and early. Peace.